If Chrome feels sluggish, causes display glitches, or just isn't behaving the way it should, one of the quickest fixes is turning off hardware acceleration. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off hardware acceleration in Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great fix if you're seeing screen flickering, video playback issues, or browser crashes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your Start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Go ahead and click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome Settings page in a new tab. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings screen, look for System and click on it. This is where Chrome keeps performance-related options, including the setting we need to change. In the System section, look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is Chrome's hardware acceleration setting. By default, it helps Chrome use your computer's GPU for better performance, but in some cases it can cause problems instead of fixing them. To turn it off, simply click the toggle so it switches to off. Once you turn it off, Chrome will usually ask you to relaunch the browser for the change to take effect. Click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen automatically, applying the new setting right away. And that's it. You've now turned off hardware acceleration in Chrome. If you were dealing with lag, freezing, strange rendering issues, or video problems, this simple change may make a big difference. If you want, you can always come back to the same settings screen later and turn it back on again by switching the toggle back on. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.